Hi children, let's continue with this question in chapter Lines and Angles. As shown in figure, poles A and B are fixed on the ground vertically and they are parallel. The path of the javelin crosses these two poles. It's a javelin. Hope we all enjoy in ground playing all these things, but we miss it now. Find the missing angle. Just by looking at the diagram, we may decide it wrongly. They are corresponding angles. But are they corresponding angles? No, they are not corresponding angles. Corresponding angles lie on the same side of the transversal. See, they are not on the same side. They are on opposite sides. If they are opposite, both should be inside and or both should be outside to represent them as alternate angles. Here, one is inside and one is outside. How to find it? We are going to state two properties now. Okay. First thing, let x be the adjacent angle of the unknown angle. Let x be the adjacent angle of the unknown angle. Okay. Or you can have this as y. Let x and y. You have to state these things in statement if it is descriptive type question. Okay. Let y be the angle that we have to find. First line. Second line you have to say x is the adjacent angle of y. Angle x is equal to 60 degree is your third line. Why it is 60 degree? The poles are parallel and therefore corresponding angles are equal. They are corresponding. See here, both of them lie on the same side of the transversal. This line is the transversal line and both these are lying on the same side and one inside and one outside. So they are equal. Now it is easy to find the angle y. X and y are linear pair. Second condition is x and y are linear pair angles. Therefore, y is equal to 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 is what? Yes, it is 120 degree. So, without doing any steps, we can easily find the answer with the diagrams. Okay, it's very simple chapter. Only 2 exercises, but we have many new words. Okay, you should be very careful. So, it's the thing. Even if you are getting a story problems without the diagram, you should know to draw the diagram on your own. But they will mention it that the poles are parallel. Okay, if they have not given the diagram, they will mention the word they are parallel. Okay, children. Second question is, in the figure given below, if AB is parallel to CD and angle ASB and angle ACD are 30 degree and 70 degree respectively, then find the value of SBA and angle SDC. Hope all would have enjoyed swinging like this boy, upside down, isn't it? And here these two are vacant swings. We are going to look at the angles that is there in this swing. Okay. Name, how many angle names are stated in this question? List it out. ASB, ACD. Have they given the values for these two angles? Yes. What is the measure of this angle ASB? It is 30 degree. What is the measure of angle ACD? It is 70 degree. See, this 30 represents ASB and angle ACD measures 70 degree. What should I find now? SBA, angle SBA and angle SDC. 4 angles names are there in this question. Mark them in this diagram. First one, ASB. ASB. In the small upper triangle, I have this angle. What is it measure? Yes, it is 30 degree. Then what is the next name? ACD. ACD. In the second triangle, I have 70 degree. What should I find now? SBA. SBA. This angle I should find. Okay, I have shaded it. And angle SDC. This I have to find it out. Okay. What shall we do? Do you remember triangle chapter? What property can we use in this full big triangle? SCD. Can I make use of any property in this triangle SCD? We know top angle and one of the bottom angle. Only this angle I have to find. Is it possible? Yes, we can find it. What property? It's by angle sum property. By angle sum property, 7 plus 30 is 100. So if I subtract it from 180, what will be the measure of this CDB or SDC? SDC, yes, it is 80 degree. And surely AB and CD are parallel. See, they have stated it. If they have not stated this condition, you should not use the concepts or properties of corresponding angles and alternate angles. They have stated it. So I can consider this SD as transversal lines and angle SDC and SBA. These two, this small angle that I marked now, I shaded now. This angle and this angle are corresponding angles. See, these two are parallel lines and SP is the transversal. It is crossing these two parallel lines now. So we have corresponding angles are equal. So this is also 80 degree. Is it clear, my dear children? See here, I have stated here. They are going in a different way. How? ACD is equal to SAB. They have found SAB value as corresponding angle. See, this is corresponding angle for 70 degrees. So this is 70 and this is 30. So what will be this angle? Surely the same property that we used, angle sum property. We can use it and find the answer. That's what I say. That we don't have unique way to find the answers. We have many different ways to find the answer, but the answer will be unique. There won't be any change in the measure of that angle. Just because I chose this method, the answer will not change. It will be the same. Is it clear? SAB 70 degree. Here also SAB 70 degree. SBA here 80 degree. Here also if I subtract now 180 minus 100, we get 80 degree. Is it clear, children? Okay, then our next question is, see here. How do you feel to look at this diagram? So far we were discussing with only one set of parallel line. With only one transversal or two transversal, they are existing without intersection. But here, these two transversal are intersecting. Isn't it? We are going to find the missing angle. Any idea, children? Let me read the question first. In the figure given below, the line segments CH, KI and SV. CH, KI, SV. All these three are parallel to one another. MF and LD are transversals. MF and LD are transversals. Find the value of the missing angle. This is what I have to find. Okay. How to find it? See here. First, forget this transversal MF. Consider only this LD, which I draw in red line now. Okay. Just hide this blue line from your view. It's possible. You can do, my dear children. Now, what is the corresponding angle for 140 degree? Can you name the angle which is corresponding angle for 140 degree? In this two parallel line. KI and SV and this transversal. Forget about this blue line. Or I can draw another diagram for you. KL, SR, SV. This is KL, SV. And I have this only transversal DE. Here we have B. Okay. And here I have not drawn that CL, that CH line I have not drawn. Okay, whatever is necessary, that alone I have drawn. And here I have 140. So what about the corresponding angle for 140? Name that corresponding angle. Yes, it is DBL. Isn't it, my dear children? So DBI, not L, it is I. So this full angle is 140 degree. Okay. So you have to write first line, angle DBL is equal to 140 degree because they are corresponding angles. KI is parallel to SP. Now in the same way, forget about this transversal and think about this transversal alone, FM transversal alone. Can you say which is the corresponding angle for STF? This is 150 degree. Which pair? Yes, we will have this fully. Okay. What will I get? I will get 150 degree. So I have found the value of two angles here. From this blue line to this red line 140 and from this blue line, MF blue line to this line 150. Will it help me in finding this angle? No. I should need this small angle. Is it possible for me to find the small angle? What is the corresponding angle for this small angle? It is here. Can I find the small angle here at this acute angle? Yes. If I subtract from 180, I will get it is just 30 degree. Isn't it? So this is also 30 degree. Here also we get 30 degree. Just now we wrote this full angle is 140 and this is 30. So the remaining, this small part will be 140 minus 30. So what is the answer? 110 is the answer. Is it clear, my dear children? This is the final answer. So there is no need of discussing about 150 itself. Okay. I just showed you in how many ways we can locate the angles. Our target is to find this whole 140 and the small 30. And if I subtract this, I get 110. Is it clear, children? Only two steps. One is corresponding angle for 140. Then you will find the linear pair angle for angle STB and this 30. Second line. Third line, alternate angles are equal. So this GBI is equal to 30 degree. Finally, you will find DBG as 140 minus 30 is equal to 110 degree. If I write it now step by step, you will get at least half a page of your note or 1 page of your note. Okay, children? So, if it is an objective type, it's easy for you to answer it. Okay, children? So, the next question is very simple thing. You can do it on your own. They are what angles? They are supplementary angles. Very good. They are adjacent angles. Very good. If it satisfies both the conditions, supplementary and adjacent angles, what is the special name? Yes, they are linear pair angles. So, we say 3x plus x is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair angles. LP stands for linear pair. But in exam, you are supposed to write the whole word linear pair. 4x is equal to 180. If I divide or transpose this 4 to this side, it comes in denominator. So, we have 180 by 4, which is nothing but 45. Is it clear, children? So, we have completed this chapter. And I believe everyone understood all the concepts. If you have any doubts, feel free to call me and clarify your doubts every now and then. Don't heap up your work. Your term 1 examinations are nearing and expect all to get sent up. Okay, this is a very easy chapter. No need to work out very big things. Within with just observation and small calculations, you can find the answer. Addition and subtraction. Nothing beyond that. Okay, children. Take care. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.